Hey, Apex traders, how are you guys doing today? Uh, really got to change that intro. It's not necessarily just Apex, but small account traders, Apex traders, anybody learning and looking to grow accounts. How's that? I like that intro better. So, hopefully, you guys having a great day, great end to your week. It's been one amazing week this week. We had uh, majority green days. Wednesday was a big loss. If you guys saw that video, it was a max loss day in the Apex account. Till today ended up nice with a nice recovery. So yesterday was green. I think it was 725, 767, some of that 700 something yesterday on the live stream, and then so today ended up being a $4,000 green day, along with in the account number two. Remember, we are in two Apex accounts at once. Account number two is $133.75. And the small account that we are growing is $83.75 today. So that is from $5,000. And the Apex account number two is from 25K. So both of those are up over $600 for the week. Not too bad considering what the structure on those is. So both of those have a max loss of 1,500. So letting that grow little by little, little by little. That is the plan there. As far as the big Apex account, which is the one you guys all have been tracking, that one is green, 4,000 today, plus the 700 from yesterday. So just about recovered from Wednesday's loss. Again, Wednesday was a big human error. Go back and watch Wednesday's video if you want to know where that error is, and especially for those of you members who not make that same mistake, so you don't get distracted or make an error reading the yellow bars and orange bars. But for non-members, let's go ahead and do a quick review. It was an amazing day. Closing up the day, $4,000. Let's pull the chart and take a look at the trade. Alright, here goes that SPY. We just finished up the SPY analysis video. Great setup today. Great quad setup right up in here. Great analysis for our members. Members actually caught some really good trades today. So that's kind of quite fun to watch. That's actually more entertaining than our own trades. Being in this position is quite nice and being able to help others and give back. That is the whole purpose why we started this. So quite nice to see people making it. Let's go ahead and review the actual Apex trade, which would be, here we go. So here is the Apex trade. So to start off the day, let's go ahead and here, go ahead and remove these for now. These have nothing to do with the earlier part of the day. So here goes the first move on the day. Here is the open. Right here on open, you guys go back and watch the analysis video. You see that SPY had to hold 396.79, which comes just in line with ES 39.70. So as we started to see this hold, we're like, okay, cool. Plan is in play. As soon as we see that plan in play, then we go ahead and wait for our setups, which was first setup of the day was right here. We actually did not trade this setup. I was in a meeting at this time, but very proud moment today. One of our members caught this. He's been training with the bars that you see in these videos, the two yellow bars, two orange bars. So he actually ended up catching this move. And in comparison, it doesn't look like much, but that is actually one phenomenal move for just about 0.5% on an index. You know, you can't really beat that. Okay. So great move there. Here's our two orange bar play. For those of you non-members, don't know what you're looking at here. You have a first orange bar, second orange bar completes a sequence. There is threshold levels in here, which is what these numbers here are. So if that threshold number hits, along with the orange bar, you want that to print. As soon as that prints, that is a great opportunity. Yellow bar is long, orange bars are short. So what is that threshold in actual real-time action? So here is where the calculations would start from, and that threshold is this yellow number here. So that would be 13, oops, there we go. What was that? I forgot already. 1316. Right there. Right there. So there is your threshold. Posted that number in the room for the members. You can see, touches it, prints it, orange bar. Great, beautiful short setup. So he actually had a great day there, and that is amazing to watch. Love watching you guys do good. And there was, now pay attention here to the thresholds. Okay, thresholds are still valid. Okay, until broken or a third orange bar or the number resets. Those of you members know what that means. Okay, so now that's this number here. That number comes out, and I forgot again. It's been a long day. So 2631. Come on. 2631. Right there. It's about as close as we can get it. So 2631. Right, threshold number 2. What happens here? Orange bar. Okay, we're actually at lunch at this time, so we missed out on this trade here at J9. Did not catch this. Did not see any members catch this one either, but amazing short here. Okay, and as this short was forming, we're back on track. What did we discuss on Wednesday's video? Okay, coming in Thursday, all I want to do is come in and make $1, right? Come on in, trade the process, do the process the right way, and not make the same mistake from Wednesday, since Wednesday was a max loss day. So Wednesday we did. This is Wednesday's action. First yellow bar, second yellow bar, cut a green trade here, and here's where we were on live streaming, and caught more of the green trades here. Actually ended up getting reverse short after seeing the books start to stack up on the short side. So caught some nice green, started to revert short here, took a little bit of profit. Once we saw that 15-minute close on the SPY, covered the rest of the short right there, got out of that, and was not able to be a part of this gigantic move here. So no worries. Locked up the green day. That was the plan on that account on Thursday. After a max loss day, you don't want to make it all back. Don't want to go heavy. Don't want to make more mistakes and compile the losses. So today we're back on track, looking for our 2 yellow bar setups. Those of you watching these videos, let's go ahead and remove that. Don't need that anymore. 2 yellow bar setup, same thing. What do we have? First yellow bar, second yellow bar, along with all the information that we discussed in the analysis. The gap up, the cycle break, the structure in the book coming in. So what did we do? Went ahead and set the thresholds, which is 9.5 in this one, right there, and 18. There we go, 1875 right there. So remember, we're still working with that max loss from Wednesday, so taking it easy. Got small size here, entered, took some profit right here, added back, took profit, added back, took profit. Right here was getting edgy, see if we're going to stop. But remember the red line, okay? Those of you who've been watching these videos, here is your trailing stop, okay? Nice and easy to follow. So as soon as we saw the dip, saw the order book start completely stacked up here. We're like, all right, perfect. We're going to go ahead and add back some more. Actually de-risked right here, if I remember right. It was this candle or this candle. Took some off just in case this flushes. Didn't want to get hit with a big loss. Right there, after we took some off, de-risked, immediately saw the order book stack up. As soon as that order book stacked up, perfect. Went ahead, jumped back in, added more. Went ahead, took profit in this first big move. Came back in, was adding more, took more profit, added more, took more profit. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the 25, 30 contracts we wanted. Not going to compile the losses from Wednesday. So this time we were like 5 here, 10 here, back to 5. Got down to 3 after we took profit, back up to 5, took more profit, back to 10, took more profit, and then for the big move here, actually was holding, I believe it was 6. 6 was the final piece of it for the big extension move, and then just following with the stop. So ended up taking more profit there, more profit as we got that next leg up, more profit as we were coming through 4010, this purple line. Remember, we know what that purple line means. Okay, so as we were coming in there, ended up taking the last final contract as we punctured through. So right in here somewhere was taking that last contract off. So was not able to catch all this, but that's okay. Got a great and amazing trade. You can see the trailing stop actually kept going, which is just phenomenal. Look at that thing. But we were out of contracts, out of size by then. So amazing trade there. And let's go ahead and pull up the chart. And there is the trading chart. So you can see $4,000 in the big Apex account and $133 in Apex number 2 And in the small account we are growing is $83.75. So great to see. Great way to end the week. Hopefully you all had a great week as well. It's been one amazing, amazing week, both in the lessons and in the education. The live stream was great. Thank you for you guys who joined in and were able to participate. Other than that, see you guys in next week's video. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Later, guys.